Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back again with another video today. We love being productive. Today I have another Anastasia Beverly Hills product, and this is the Jackie Aina palette collab. Look at this box. So this is the palette, same packaging, kind of like snake skin. Look at that packaging. That is so cool. It's like duochrome, like multi-chrome. This is the palette. So when I first saw an image of this palette, I thought, looks quite boring, looks quite similar to the other ABH palettes. But when I watched Jackie's video, it made me think differently about it. One, it looked prettier in her video, and I think it looks prettier in real life too. Yes, it is similar to their other palettes, and I probably have all of these shades in other palettes too. The whole point of collaboration is the person that's collaborating with the brand, their likes and what they want in a palette. So this is Jackie's like favorite colors and like what she wants in a palette. And she also really emphasized the fact that she made this for people of color. Although it's obviously for every skin tone, anyone can use it. That's just given. For us pale gals, us white chicks, it's easy for us to have transition colors and to have shades that will always work on us. Whereas in a lot of palettes, they are too light for people of color. So like a transition shade will not even show up on their skin tone, it will be too light. I'm going to try and edit and upload this for tonight, but it's 3:30 already, so I've got to get going. I'm not going to do swatches. Jackie did swatches in her video, and I bet everyone else will do swatches. I just don't have time for that, and I'm not very good at swatches either. Like, I'm really bad at swatches. I really like the like browns and the oranges. I feel like that's a really nice like autumnal shades. Like these 6 shades. I mean, I think it's like a really nice autumnal palette, but like these 6 shades here really remind me of autumn. And then I feel like these ones all go together too. So like, yeah. We love that. I'm gonna go in with my ABH eye primer. I'm gonna take the brush that comes in the palette. I have like so many of these now, but they're really good. I'm gonna go in with Credit first, which is the darkest shade, I believe. So what I'm gonna do is just pack that into the crease. Really pigmented, as ABH palettes always are. Okay, so I've done that, really easy, just packed it on. I've got a little pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with Edges, which is this really pretty deep orangey shade. I really like that. And I'm gonna pack that a little bit on and a little bit above that first shade. And now going with Ginger, which is the lightest kind of browny shade, and blending that a little bit on and a little bit above that Edges shade. Now I'm just going to take that first brush, which is the ABH brush, and use the other side, which is the fluffy side, and just slightly blend that out. And then as always, going back in with each shade and just packing them on and blending them out a little bit more to re-intensify them and make the blend better. Yeah, blending really nicely. I have brought it up quite high, which I always accidentally manage to do, and I might go back and forth to blend it out a little bit more, but for now that's what I've got. I'm going to get the other eye up to the same point and then carry on and do the rest of the look. That is what I've got so far. It doesn't look perfect, but obviously I'm going to cut the crease and then it will look a bit better. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the crease. I'm just going to speed through this. Okay, so I've cut the crease as evenly as I can with my uneven eyes. So what I'm going to do is take Big Wig and Supreme, I think. Definitely Big Wig. I'm going to take that on an angle brush, and I'm going to do kind of like a smoked out liner with it. Not like a liner, but like smoked out lid, winged out shape, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to take the shade Supreme and just do the same, like above that shade. I might have to take some of the shade Pinker in the middle. It looks crazy right now, but I'm going to sort it out in a bit. I'm just doing it really roughly right now, but I will sort it out, so don't worry. So I haven't sorted this eye out yet, but I'm just going to do what I'm going to do on both eyes on this side, just so I can get the gist of what's going to happen with this look, because it's kind of a bit of a mess. Take the shade Zam, or Zam, which is like a really pretty gold edge of the cut crease. It's more like a rose gold, this shade, so it's really pretty. I've actually just kind of covered up the shade Supreme with Pinker, just because I think it blends in with the shimmer and the purple better. So I've just roughly cleaned up those edges, but I'm going to clean them up a bit more when I do my base. So I'm going to go do that off camera, well actually for an Instagram video, and then I'll be back and I will do the lower lash line and stuff and finish the look. Done my base makeup and everything, and I've cleaned up the edges now, and I'm actually really liking this look, although the shimmer is transferring. That always happens though, so it's nothing really a problem. I am going to do my lower lash line now. Do you know what, I'm really excited to put the inner corner shade on, because I've only used one shimmer and I really like it. I kind of wish I used more shimmers, but I'll use them in other videos if I remember to. I think I'm going to use the browns on my lower lash line just to make the lid pop a bit more. So it's like the purples are on the lid and then the browns are everywhere else, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to take the shade Credit and I'm going to run that close to my lash line. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Edges and just run that underneath. And then lastly I'm going to take the shade Ginger. Now I'm going to do the inner corner shade, which I'm so excited for. I think the shade I'm going to use is Trust Issues. Yeah, I'm just going to have to. It looks like only that on my inner corner. But then it looks gold. Wait, I'm really confused. Okay, that looks really different to what I thought it would. It doesn't look as like greeny, but I think it's really pretty because it's like duochromy. But I really, really like that shade. I don't think I have anything like that, or that I know of anyway. Okay, usual deal. I'm gonna go do my lashes and my lips off camera, well actually in my Instagram video, and then I'll be back to tell you my full opinions. So yeah, this is the finished look. Something a little bit different for me, because it's like the ombre upwards instead of sideways, which I usually do. But I really like this type of look. So my thoughts on the palette. I really like the shades. I think they are beautiful and they'll be really nice in autumn, and I'm getting really excited for autumn because it's currently chucking it down with rain outside, so it's making me all autumnal, and I love autumn. I'm that kind of girl who loves the autumn and the winter way more than the summer. I'm not a summer girl. I'm not a summer girl. Like every now and again I do like summer and I want summer, but then when it comes I'm just like, no. Anyway, this is going to be really beautiful for then and like any time, but like seasonal makeup and such. I think it's really good that she's put her impact in it a lot. Like she's not just put in a transition shade for lighter skinned people, because like that's not what she wants in it, because every palette has that basically. If you're pale like me and you aren't so confident with your blending, you might need to take a skin tone shade just to blend out those edges, or like a last transition shade, but that's totally fine because you probably have that in your collection, or just like your powder shade. It will work perfectly fine. But I found it easy to blend. The shimmer I put on my lid is absolutely insane. It's like a really foiled shade. That's the shade Zam. And then I really like the shade I put in my inner corner, which is Trust Issues. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but I think it's really pretty, like goldy green, yellowy shade. It's crazy how it looks in the pan and then it's so different on in real life. I just want to swatch the shimmer shades that I didn't use. 4 of the shades that I didn't use. Oh yeah, they're pretty. So yeah, they look really nice and I definitely will get use out of those. So that Shookington, Wigglese, Dwellers and Sponsored. So Sponsored is actually quite green, I didn't realise. I think Dollars is supposed to be quite green, but it's more of like a gold. It's quite similar to my inner corner shade, but not as duochromy and as light. I really like the packaging. It'll be easy to clean, and I really like that it's different, and like the texture of it, I think it'll be easy to spot in my collection. I really like ABH formula anyway, but I really like how she's laid out the palette, and I really like the names as well, and it feels really personal to Jackie, so yeah. Yeah, I do really like the palette, and if you want to support Jackie or you just want a new palette, I think this is really nice. Obviously, if you have a couple of ABH palettes, you probably don't need this palette. There isn't much that different unless you're a person of colour. Really, really good and essential, kind of, because I will definitely be using this a lot. I think it'll be one of my new favourite, like, go-to, like, neutral palettes. I don't do neutral very often at all, like, I rarely do it. But I think if I did, I'd probably grab this. I really like the warm tone shades. I don't like cool tone neutrals. I'm excited to use the other shades and to play around with this palette a bit more to get some more use out of it. Congratulations to Jackie. Thank you so much to ABH for sending this over to me. It really, really means a lot. As I say every single time, I still can't believe I'm on the ABH PR list. Mind blown. Every time a package comes, I'm like... So the PR package actually also came with this gorgeous bag. It's really big. Okay, so it's already available in the US, so this is up a bit late. I'm a bit annoyed about that. I didn't realise that. In the UK and international, it's coming on the 15th of August. I think it's $45. Yeah, that's the info. It's already out in America, so if you're in America, go get it. Why not? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to try and edit it and get it up tonight, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. It would really, really mean a lot. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there and see my face makeup and everything like that. In a tutorial and maybe an up close eye look. I do lots of different makeup looks over there. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.